How to fix Windows error recovery on laptop. 1. Remove recently added hardware. 2. Run start repair in Windows safe mode. 3. Boot into LKGC. Last known good configuration. 4. Restore your HP laptop with System Restore. Like this. 5. Recover the laptop. 6. Perform startup repair with a Windows installation disk. 7. Reinstall Windows. 8. More tips. 8.1 Choose Start Windows normally. 8.2. Rebuild BCD in command prompt under Windows safe mode. Commands include botrek.exe /fixmperbotrek.exe /fixwithbotrek.exe /rebuild plan B, run chkdsk via chkdskc /f/x/r command. 8.3 Red recovery options in Windows at ht /support.microsoft.com/n-a/windows-options-in-windows-3 1ce2444-7-3-818c-d626-e3b5 a3024-5.